Okay, what did you like about that community? What did you not like about that community?
I like the activity center and pool area and amenities.
Yes, much newer than ours. Very nice. Hey, everybody, we are taking you on a trip down to Queen Creek, Arizona for a new 55 plus community that's gated. It's beautiful. And we also are in Mesa, Arizona, in a gated community, a 55 plus active adult community. And we get people all the time that come out here and ask about the different ones, not just Leisure World. Everybody's heard of Leisure World. So that's a nice one that we'll overview too in Mesa. However, we're going to take a trip down to Queen Creek this time to share what's going on there, because we get people all the time who are relocating to Arizona, either Mesa or Queen Creek, and they want to know where is the best 55 plus gated community or adult active community that fits my lifestyle. So we're going to get after that right now. Ovation has a really great community of resort style amenities that are perfect for active retired people or that lifestyle. The HOA fees pay for the common areas, of course, the gated community, and there are tons of areas for gatherings and parties and other outdoor amenities like 2 bocce ball courts, 4 pickleball courts, 2 tennis courts, walking and biking trails, and a dog park, and there's several other parks and natural spaces. So since 2022, the HOA fees, or the Homeowners Association fees, are only about $215 a month. The builder models we'll be looking at today are built by Taylor Morrison, and there's several floor plans. The living area ranges from 1,478 square feet to 2,499 square feet. There are 2 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3.5 baths, all 1 story, and you can get either 2 or 3 car garage. Lots of different unique floor plans for sure. We have a lot of clients that are asking for really minimal square footage right now, a good price. So we're going to look at the Kaibab floor plan. It's $427,990 base price, 1,645 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1 story, 2 car garage. The front yard is all included, and it is the typical desert landscape that they provide. And then they have a great design center there for interior.
Yeah, it's the same floor plan, just in reverse. I think.
Yeah, I like this one. What's the square footage on this?
1645.
1,645. Good size breakfast bar, living area. This is a 2 bedroom, right?
Yes.
So that's the garage.
One model that's a 3 bedroom, and that's 2,500 square feet.
2,500 square feet. That's a bit big for us. We're looking for something very manageable. Travel and stuff. It's a nice large, I like the bathroom a lot. Good size walk-in. Private toilet room. Shower with a bench in there. Good size laundry room. It's a pretty good sized backyard too. So this second bedroom must be over here. Yeah. That's a funny. What?
There's literally a screw in the lid for the toilet holding it down so you can't open it.
Oh, there is. They don't want you to use that. So I guess this is the basic, is the prefab shower surround. But extra high vanity and counter is nice. Nice flooring. I like this flooring. They got like a little bar area there. And this is really nice too, this built-in. I love that. It's the way to take advantage of more or less area to store things. But this works. It's a good size, huh?
Yep. Really high wall. Is that the perimeter of the subdivision?
It must be. It must be.
Unless it's just the lots on the other side are higher elevation.
Right.
Could be it. Just could be that like 2 feet higher.
Yeah. What do you think of this one?
It's a model.
Yeah. It's a model.
It's base. Nice. Basic open floor plan house.
Yeah. This is a nice clubhouse. Very nice.
Makes Fountain of the Sun look.
A little peeked. Yeah, very nice. So they have a bar area here, so they can probably have happy hours. They have lots of TVs, fireplace, got a pool outdoors. Hi. You like living here?
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Everybody's been asking us that today.
Oh, that's a billiards room. Nice. Group exercise. Nice weight room. Probably have spin class there. What else is down there?
Just storage rooms and access out to restrooms are down there too.
Restrooms. This reminds me of Incanterra. I mean, not Incanterra. Encore. Well, there's the women's and the men's restroom. And oh,
And a social hall.
a social hall.
Our activity center can fit more people.
Mm-hmm.
That's for sure.
True.
And library-ish thing.
Right.
Arts and crafts.
And arts and crafts. Yeah, our banquet room or activity room is bigger than this.
5 times that size.
5 times, yeah.
Well, 4 times.
Although this is newer.
It's probably a lot smaller community too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what did you like about that community? What did you not like about that community?
I like the activity center and pool area and amenities.
Yes, much newer than ours. Very nice. Although the activity center and the ballroom and the banquet room or whatever it was called, it's not as large as ours. So I don't see how you could have, but we have a lot of people in our community. We have 4,000 people.
This community is 3 times the size.
Yeah, 3 times the size of that
as far as homes. And they had seating in their banquet room for 116, and we probably have seating for 300 in ours. So.
And the HOA fees are much higher than ours.
Well, they're about double.
About double. So they're double ours. Ours are.
Those are just over $100 a month, and those are $225.
Yeah, just over 100 that we pay versus $225. So.
And they take care of your front yard as part of that. That $225 includes front yard maintenance.
So all in all, pretty nice community for the price and much less than in Quintero. So there's something that's kind of in between this one and ours, which is called Encore, and that I think is our next favorite. It's closer to town, closer to the freeways, closer to 60 freeway and 202. So I've done a video on that also on Encore, so you can check that out if you're thinking, well, we want something that's in between, something that doesn't have a really high HOA fee, but that has newer amenities, which a newer rec room and workout room, newer pool area, and happy hour area, and that one does. It's not gated though. Ovation and ours at Fountain of the Sun is gated. So Encore is not gated. But very nice homes, good priced HOA fees. So check that out too. And I think we're gonna go have lunch now. Yum. So just call us, text us, email us. If you want to take a personal tour, remember that we love helping people relocate to Arizona, or if you're just ready to retire and move to a really nice 55 plus community. We've been in a lot of them ourselves, and we've helped people move in and out of different ones for different reasons. So we love matching you up with the perfect active adult community that fits your lifestyle. So give us a call, text, or email. We love helping you. This is Mel with eXp Realty, with excellence through experience.